how you can make £1,000 on TikTok in just 76 days. I'm going to teach you how you can start raking it in on TikTok for the screenshots of what I've earned and for that step-by-step process of how exactly I have made £1,000 through something called TikTok Shop. Fast forward to that point in the video. I will also link all the chapters to this video directly below down there in the description for everyone else. Oh my goodness me. Hello. If you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, I have missed you so much. I cannot believe the last time I uploaded a video on my YouTube channel was nearly 2.5 years ago. I can't believe it. I have missed you. I have missed doing YouTube, but I feel really awkward making this video because I couldn't remember how to film. I've just been sat here staring at my camera for ages. How have you been? Please let me know in the comments what's been going on. Have you been building up your own YouTube channel? The reason why I haven't been uploading is because the last time I was on YouTube, I basically had to fight the education system. My son was unlawfully excluded from his school, and it basically broke me. It is very hard to fight a system that is very corrupt, that is very unjust, and we all know this. The education system is archaic. So whilst I was going through this fight and trying to get justice for my son, I have started up a not-for-profit, and I just can't believe what has happened in these last 2 years. I've just gone from nothing, from just an idea, to help other children like my son who really struggle with that, your typical school system. I now run an alternative provision where we help children who are at risk of exclusion. Some of our kids do not attend school at all. It's all been happy news. My son is now one of our students, and actually we from September we've got 29 other students that we're currently helping. So when I started it as an idea from scratch, had no money, had no venue, had no team. We're now a team of 13. That's a little update on me and what's been happening. I have wanted to come back to YouTube and make some tutorials because I love doing this. I love being here with you and helping you build your own personal brand and help you with marketing your business. If you are new and you're like, well, who's this? What is she talking about? Do subscribe to this channel. I really want to start making videos for you where you can take all this information and start spreading your own message. I feel going through this whole experience of this fight against the education system, there is not enough people out there that are raising awareness about what is going on in lots of different systems. So much is going on at the moment, and it needs more of us to stand up, be brave, and use our voice for the best. I want to give you all these tips so you can have that confidence to get on camera, get on here onto YouTube and start spreading your message. Now I know that £1,000 might not be a lot of money to a lot of people, because I know there's videos on YouTube that are telling you how you can make £10,000 in 2 weeks. But I wanted to put this video out as my first video back to show that we've all got to start from somewhere. And this has kind of happened for me out of the blue. I haven't been on TikTok with the goal to make money. It kind of has just happened. So I want to explain to you what I've done and how you can definitely 100% replicate what I've done. Okay, so firstly, how on earth have I made £1,000 on TikTok in 76 days? I am something called a TikTok Shop affiliate. So you might have heard of Amazon affiliate, and back in the day on this YouTube channel, any product that I use, like whether it's a microphone or the camera, whatever I've been using on YouTube, I've usually linked it down below in the YouTube description, and if you click on it, I will earn a small commission from that. So TikTok Shop affiliate is very similar to Amazon. Why I absolutely love it, and I think it's going to explode over these next 12 months, and this is why I want you to get onto this right now. Why TikTok Shop affiliate is so magical is because everything is done in the app. So you will watch a TikTok video and then start noticing that some creators are linking products. If you click on that, you are then buying a product, and that creator will get a cut of whatever that price is. So I have been promoting, and let me show you it actually. One of the things I have been promoting and talking about on my TikTok channel is this instant camera. So you basically take a picture on here and it prints it out straight away. Incredible. It's basically the old school Polaroid camera. And what I will do in the description below, I will link a video to me talking about this, and you can see exactly how I'm doing it, so you can learn the kind of structure of the video that I'm doing. This is how so many just normal people like me and you are making so much money on TikTok at the moment. It's through TikTok Shop. So you make a video on a product, like something like that, you talk about it, and you link the product within the video. That is it. It is that simple. That is the kind of overview of what TikTok Shop is. Now let's get into the tips. Tip number 1 on how you can start making money on TikTok Shop. The first thing you need to do is pick a product, and you're going to have to buy it. Oh, and I also need to tell you something. You do need 1,000 followers before you can sign up as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Up front, then you're going to need to spend some money on buying a product from TikTok Shop. Just so you know, this was £20. And there's other things on TikTok, £5, £10, whatever it is. But my first bit of advice to you is buy something that you genuinely need and you genuinely love. I needed this. I really needed this camera because I run this alternative provision now. I take a lot of pictures of our students and stick them in their workbooks. So when they leave us, they've got loads of pictures from all their good memories that they've had at our provision. Step number 2 is make lots of videos. Don't just make one video. This is the difference now between YouTube and TikTok. TikTok is a very fast moving platform where people are scrolling, but at the same time, a lot of people are buying very quickly from someone's video. So what you want to do on your TikTok account, and again, my advice to this is different to other people out there. Some other people will say, post lots of TikTok Shop videos every single day. Now, personally for me, on my account, because it's all about the education system and raising awareness about special educational needs and lots of other stuff to do with alternative education, I've made the choice not to post TikTok Shop videos every single day. That is my choice. You don't have to follow that advice. You need to make your own assessment of that. The reason I want you to make lots of videos about that one product is because you've got to see what works. You've got to see what people are gravitating towards on TikTok Shop. The more videos you do, the more information you can gather on the structure of your videos. And once you get a video that does pop off and people start buying the product from your TikTok Shop link, you can then start commenting back to people's questions with more videos. And that's how you can make even more sales and more money through TikTok Shop. My next tip is do not give up. For the sake of the universe, please. You've got to keep going. I posted some TikTok Shop videos last year. I didn't really take it seriously. I didn't pay much attention. And I think I had a break on TikTok for maybe 2 or 3 months. I went back to my account and that video had made me, I think it was about £100. And I was like, what? Now, I tried to replicate my success at the time, but then that product, people had forgotten about it. No one wanted it again. And I was like, oh, brilliant. So my biggest other bit of advice for you is you've got to keep going with this. You've got to keep putting your videos out, and it's going to take time. It really will. You might do a TikTok shop video tomorrow and you might not see, no one might buy the product, but you've got to keep going. And this is all about improving how you're presenting on camera, how you're talking about the features of the product. There's always different things you can improve upon. So just really be self aware and keep going. Do not give up. I'm going to put the screenshots of what I've earned here. So this is a screenshot from June, what I earned on TikTok shop, July, and then the little bit of August that we've gone into as well. If you've enjoyed this video, or hi, I don't even think I said my name before. My name is Veena. I just love helping you. I want to get you confident. I want to get you making videos, and I want to help you spread your message to the world. Okay. If you have enjoyed this contact, this is how long I haven't done a YouTube video for. I don't even know how to end it. I can't speak properly sometimes. I'm too excitable. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have lots more tutorials on the way, and I really hope this information about how you can make money on TikTok Shop has really helped you. My next video on my YouTube channel, can't believe I'm back again, will be about why I've come back and the truth about why I've come back to YouTube. And I'm going to tell you what's been happening, because I've actually still been making money from this YouTube channel, even though I haven't uploaded for nearly 2.5 years. So I'm going to reveal all to you in the next video. Until then, you are incredible. Keep going, and I will see you really soon.